Stop wasting data, turn it into real cash with this free app I'm about to show you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hey guys, do you ever wish you could convert your unused data into real cash? Imagine you are chilling at home, browsing the internet, and bam, your data plan expires. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you that leftover data could actually earn you some money? Yeah, that is the magic of today's secret I'm about to show you. And the last two secrets is even more amazing. It will work for you if you don't skip any part of this video. And how does it work? Well, it connects your unused data to others who need it. Then you get paid for sharing it. It's super simple, right? So let's begin. So step one, we're going to go to Play Store and we're going to search and install the Pawns app on our phone. Okay, I already have that one on my phone, so just go ahead to install the app and we're going to move to the next step. Just go ahead and we're going to turn on our Wi-Fi or just simply turn on our mobile data, whichever one you're using. Okay, right, so once your data is running on, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open the Pawns app. This is the first time interface, so click on the start earning button. If you have an account already, log in. If this is the first time, click on sign up, fill in the details and verify your email. It is simple as ABC. So I have an account ready and I will log in, and this is the user dashboard. I've earned some money already here. So to start earning, click on the share internet button and bam, the earning starts. So you can stop the sharing anytime. So you can even close the Pawns app. Then it can continue to run and earn you some money at the background whenever you turn on your data. So to do that, swipe and show background earning to the right, click on continue and then allow. And it is on. Trust me, you won't see the Pawns app on your screen again, but it is working at the background to earn you some real cash once you're using your data and your phone. Okay, you earn 20 cents for 1 gig used. So if you are someone who consumes 20 gig in a week, you'll be earning like $4. Okay, not much, but pretty decent to prevent wasting data. So you buy a 24-hour data, not finish using it, and then your ISP takes it away just like that. Total waste. So now I will tell you the other two secrets to make more money on this particular app, like I promised you in the beginning of this video. So not only sharing your data, but you can do other two things here, and this is going to add more money to your account. Okay, right? So number one, you can complete surveys and earn real cash. So to do that, click on the survey button. If there are surveys available for you at the moment, go ahead and answer the questions. Then they pay you for completing them. I have one here and they are going to pay me 20 cents. So I will do that and get back to you. And bam, my account is credited. And the number two secret of earning on this platform is that you can even earn more by referring people to join the app, and they pay you up to $3 and 10% of their cash out. And this is amazing. So to do that, scroll down and click on earn more. You can copy and share your referral link to friends and on social media. When they sign up using your link, your account gets credited $3 each. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, that is it. And I know you are going to ask me these questions. Is it safe? Absolutely. Pawns app uses top-notch security measures to protect your data and privacy. They only use your unused bandwidth, and your personal information stays safe. Is it legit? Being found on Play Store, even the App Store, with good rating and many payment proofs is the first green flag we're going to give it. Okay, so how much can I really earn? Okay, it depends on your data usage and locations, but users report earning anywhere from a few bucks to even $100 plus per month. Not bad for doing practically nothing, right? So what are you waiting for? Download the Pawns app today. Use my code link in the description of this video for a bonus and start earning cash for your unused data. Let's turn those wasted megabytes into green bags, guys. So subscribe and let me see you next time again, and goodbye.